Have you ever wondered how a truck really works? How it's built? How it's developed? Let us show you. This is Trucks Anatomy.
Over 4 million viewers have watched this YouTube clip. It showcases Volvo Trucks' new collision warning with emergency brake system. In the clip, we see a 40-ton truck which automatically brakes to avoid a collision, all without human intervention.
And now we will perform a little test to see how and if the system works.
This is Storaholm Traffic Training Center in Gothenburg, Sweden, where we have access to the latest model of Volvo FH with the new emergency brake system installed. The truck has a load of 40 tons and the obstacle, which we will drive towards and hopefully avoid running into, is this inflated dummy vehicle. But to keep up the suspense a tad longer, let's find out how the system works. The system is based on two sensors, a radar and a camera. The radar judges the distance and the speed of the vehicles ahead, while the camera provides information about what kind of vehicle it is. If the system detects that a collision is imminent, the driver will be warned. If there is no reaction from the driver, the system will automatically activate the brake and avoid a collision. Here is the radar, and up here, that's the camera.
I think all trucks should definitely have this, but you have to experience it in live, in reality, to fully understand the potential of the system and how much it can help you. It's nothing that you can just read a brochure and think, this is a great system. You have to see it in real life.
Right, time for the test. I'm somewhat nervous. I mean, my instinct will tell me to brake hard, but I will try not to. Accelerating, heading towards the vehicle. We are pushing on the cruise control. We have reached a speed of 50 kilometers an hour. We're heading towards the obstacle. I'm just waiting to see what happens. My foot is on the floor. I'm not touching anything. There is the display warning, and we're braking, and we... Oh! We didn't touch. It must be just decimeters, centimeters. Close call, but the distance will of course vary due to surface and weather. But nevertheless, the system works, no doubt, and that will definitely save lives.